Thanks for stopping by at Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Resources for this lesson are in my description. You will find in there a tab, PDF, as well as a link to a backing track. If you like some bonus resources, then please check out my link to my Patreon page. There you will find downloadable guitar profiles in different speeds that you can play on SoundSlice. A tutorial how to do that, how to play it on SoundSlice, is right up here, as well as a downloadable backing track in different speeds, if you wish, are available there too, so you don't have to always refer to my backing track on YouTube. In this lesson, we're going to cover a cool solo over a groovy A minor progression. We're going to be mostly using the Aeolian scale, and I'll show you some different licks in different positions on the neck. So let's go check it out right now. For lick one, we have two parts. So here's the lick. So the first part of lick one will start with picking the E8 and then pull off from 7 to 5 on the E string. So pick, pull off, pull off. Then we'll do the same thing on the B string, where we go from 8 to 6 to 5. Then we'll do a half bend on the G7, and we come to rest on the B5 for the first part. Little vibrato there. So the second part of this lick, we'll do a hammer on and a pull off on G5 to G7, back to G5, and then we slide to G4. Okay, here we do another hammer on pull off, and we kind of we stop that. It stops probably automatic because there's another hammer on coming right away. Hammer on pull off from D7 to D9 and back, and then another one from D6 to D7 and back, and then on the A string we go. Okay, so the whole thing. Okay, lick 2, the first part of lick 2 is the same as the first part of lick 1, so we're not going to go over this again. So that's the first part of lick 1 and lick 2. But then the second part of lick 2, okay, so I'm going to explain that. Part 2 of lick 2, when we come out of part 1, we want to use our middle finger to slide to G9. Okay, that's where the second part starts. Then we go to E10, E8, and B10. On that B10, you can give a little bit of a vibrato. Then again, we'll use our middle finger and we'll slide to 14th fret, G string, then B string on fret 13 and 15. Here we do 3 bends. Okay, so I'm going to play that again. Okay, you can do a little bit of vibrato if you have time, because it goes immediately into the next lick. So lick 1 and 2 are going over this progression here. Right? So we'll do that twice, that whole thing. And then lick 3 is when the progression goes into a little bridge part, or you can call it a chorus part or whatever, but it goes from, so we're in that A minor, and then of course it goes to E minor. So the first part on A minor is lick 3, goes like E minor, pick here. So it's a similar pull-off segment that we did in lick 1, but this time we're on the 12th fret. We're still in the Aeolian scale. We're just in a different position now, but these are all Aeolian notes in A minor, or in A. We pick E15, and then immediately pull off to E13 and then 12. On a B string we hammer on from 12 to 13 and then 15, and then we pull off. So, and a vibrato on G14. Lick 4 is over that E minor part. It's a half bend on G14. Pick G14 again. Then G12, and then slide to G11, and then G9. Then from G9 we slide with our ring finger to D12, back to G9. The next chord in this chorus or bridge part is the B minor 7. Okay, and here we're going to play this. I pick with my pick, and then with I use my ring finger to pick the B string. We are on D9 and we are on B7. Next one, we move up 2 frets. Okay, now we're on D7 and B5. Next, we're going to change a little bit. We're now on D4 and B3. Okay. So lick 6 is when the progression of the chorus or bridge segment goes to D9 and E minor 7. And the lick goes, a very familiar lick. Okay, so to do this, we're going to bar the E and the B string on the 5th fret, and we bend the 7th fret G string. Okay, so we go bend twice the B and E string. We do this twice, then we slide to G9 and B8, and then a harmonic on the high E string, 12th fret. And that's it for the whole tune. If you made it this far in the video, I assume you enjoyed this lesson. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you.